Change profile picture. In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture in Subway Surfer on your phone. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the main menu, tap onto the profile icon. It looks like a little person head. This takes you to your profile section. Tap on it. Now tap onto your current profile picture at the top. This will open your profile edit section. If you are connected to Facebook, it will use your Facebook profile picture. If you haven't connected to your Facebook yet, the app will ask to log in. Once connected, your profile picture in the game will be updated to match your profile picture automatically. Or you can select the portrait which Subway Surfer has offered. You can select any of them and you have to tap on save. And that's it, you have now updated your profile picture in Subway Surfer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.